So for this recipe, I'll be using 3 cups of flour, half cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of yeast, half seed grated nutmeg. I will need to grate this, just half of this, 1 egg, half tablespoon of salt, and a drop of vanilla flavor. So the next thing I will be doing is to mix all my ingredients together. I need the dry ones first. So I will need to grate this. So I'll also be using half spoon of dry pepper. This is actually optional. And also dry ginger, and if you have fresh ginger, you can make use of it for this. So now mix all the ingredients together. So once I've mixed this together, the next thing I'll be doing is to pour my wet ingredients, the egg, water and flavor. I'll be using 2 cups of water for this. Make a hole at the center just this way, and pour the 2 cups of water, then the drop of vanilla essence. The next thing I'll be doing is to mix this together. You can actually make use of your hands, your palm, but it's always look messy somehow, so I'll be using spoon to do this. Ensure you mix this properly. Once you have mixed it and you have this texture, the next thing you will need to do is to cover it and allow it to double in size. So this covering should take like 10 to 15 minutes for the size we are doing. But if you are doing more, then automatically you need to allow it rest for more than that. So after 10 to 15 minutes, the next thing we'll be doing is to check if our pizza has doubled in size. Wow. So now what we need to do is to set our frying pan and start frying. So once you've mixed together like this, the next thing you need to do is to start putting in the oil. Here we have it. This is what I got from my 3 cups of flour. So let's see how the inside is. Wow, isn't this nice? So ensure you try this at home. Wow. So see you in my next video when I will be showing you another amazing recipe. But wait, have you subscribed to this channel?